Stop right now. Look in the mirror. What do you see? Are you happy with the person staring back at you? Or do you feel like there's more, way more, that you could be? What if I told you that everything you need to transform your looks, boost your confidence, and completely level up your life is already within your reach? That's right. This isn't about magic pills or unrealistic standards. This is about Looksmaxxing, the art of maximizing your looks to become the best version of yourself. But here's the thing, this isn't just another how to look good video. This is your ultimate, step-by-step guide to completely transforming how you look, feel, and present yourself to the world. We're talking skincare secrets, grooming hacks, fitness tips, style upgrades, and the mindset shifts that will make you unstoppable. So, if you're ready to stop settling and start becoming the person you've always wanted to be, keep watching. Because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start your Looksmaxxing journey, and trust me, you're going to want to see this through to the end. Let's dive in. Let's talk about skinmaxing. Because no matter how sharp your jawline is or how fit you are, if your skin isn't on point, you're leaving a lot of potential on the table. Step 1, cleanse, exfoliate, moisturize. This is the holy trinity of skincare. Start with a gentle cleanser to remove dirt and oil, exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week to get rid of dead skin cells, always moisturize to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Step 2, sun protection. If you're not using sunscreen every single day, you're doing your skin a disservice. UV rays age your skin faster than anything else, so invest in a good SPF 30 or higher. Step 3, targeted treatments. If you've got acne, dark spots, or uneven skin tone, add serums with ingredients like salicylic acid, vitamin C, or retinol to your routine. Consistency is key here, stick with it and you'll see results. Remember, great skin isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good in your own skin. Next up, grooming. This is where the details make all the difference. Let's start with hair. Your hairstyle can make or break your entire look. Find a style that suits your face shape, whether it's a classic side part, a messy textured look, or a clean buzz cut. And don't forget to maintain it. Regular trims and the right products, like pomade or clay, can take your hair game to the next level. Now, facial hair. If you're rocking a beard, keep it neat and well trimmed. If you're clean shaven, make sure you're shaving properly to avoid irritation and razor bumps. And let's not forget the little things, nails, eyebrows, and even ear hair. Yes, ear hair. Trust me, people notice. Keep everything clean, trimmed, and tidy. It's these all small details also matter. Now, let's talk about something that can completely change your facial aesthetics, jawline maxing. A strong, defined jawline is one of the most attractive features you can have, and the good news is, you can improve it. Step 1, chew gum. Chewing sugar-free gum regularly can strengthen your jaw muscles and give you a more defined look. Just don't overdo it, 15 to 20 minutes a day is enough. Step 2, mewing. This is a technique where you rest your tongue on the roof of your mouth, which can help improve your jawline over time. It's all about proper tongue posture. Step 3, facial exercises. Try exercises like chin lifts, jaw clenches, and neck stretches to tone the muscles around your jaw and neck. Step 4, body fat percentage. If you're carrying extra weight, losing fat can reveal a sharper jawline. Combine this with the other steps, and you'll see a dramatic difference. Your hair is your crown, so let's make sure it's looking its best. Step 1, find the right products. Use shampoos and conditioners that suit your hair type, whether it's oily, dry, or curly. Avoid products with sulfates and parabens, as they can damage your hair over time. Step 2, scalp care. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair. Massage your scalp regularly to stimulate blood flow. And consider using oils like argan or coconut oil to keep it nourished. Step 3, styling. Invest in quality styling products like pomade, wax, or sea salt spray. Experiment with different styles to find what works best for your face shape and personality. Step 4, avoid heat damage. If you're using heat tools like blow dryers or straighteners, always use a heat protectant. And don't overdo it, let your hair breathe naturally whenever possible. Now, let's talk about fitness. Because no amount of skincare or grooming can replace a strong, healthy body. Step 1. Strength training. Building muscle not only improves your physique but also boosts your confidence. Focus on compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses to build a solid foundation. Step 2. Cardio. Whether it's running, cycling, or swimming, cardio keeps your heart healthy and helps you stay lean. Plus, it's a great way to clear your mind and reduce stress. Step 3. Nutrition. You can't out-train a bad diet. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods, lean proteins, complex carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and veggies. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Start small, stay consistent, and the results will come. Alright, now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about style. Because how you dress is a direct reflection of how you see yourself, and how others see you. Step 1. Fit is king. No matter how expensive your clothes are, if they don't fit well, they won't look good. Tailor your clothes if you need to. A well-fitted outfit can make you look taller, leaner, and more put together. Step 2. Invest in staples. Every wardrobe needs basics like a white t-shirt, dark jeans, a blazer, and a pair of clean sneakers. These are versatile pieces that you can mix and match for any occasion. Step 3. Accessorize. A watch, a simple chain, or even a nice belt can elevate your look instantly. But remember, less is more. Don't overdo it. Finally, let's talk about mindset. Because all the skincare, grooming, fitness, and style in the world won't matter if you don't believe in yourself. Confidence is the ultimate Looksmaxxing hack. Stand tall, make eye contact, and own your space. Practice self-affirmations and focus on your strengths. Remember, Looksmaxxing isn't about being perfect, it's about being the best version of you. And there you have it, your ultimate step-by-step guide to Looksmaxxing. Remember, this isn't about changing who you are, it's about unlocking your full potential and becoming the best version of yourself. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments, which step are you most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are the best.